Okay, I've got a 2010 Audi A3 1.8 litre, 118 kilowatts. As you can see, put in park, it's flashing, reverse flashing. I've got no drive whatsoever. There's no drive, doesn't matter what gear you put in. See, when you go across, it goes to number 7 straight away. Or this is like a limp home, or just cut out, or safety mode, or whatever they call it. But it's actually flashing. Doesn't matter what gear you're in, it's all flashing. There's no drive. There's no drive. You can't drive the car. Just idles and just displays that, and that's it. All right. I'll do some more diagnostics and some more testing. Then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.